Hi, this is my submission for the Project 2 Commerce of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. In this video, I'll walk you through all the main features of my auction site, including registration, listing items, bidding, commenting, watch lists, and category browsing. Let's get started. I'll start by registering a new user and logging in. So I'll click register and I'll type in some dummy credentials. And I'll register. As you can see, I'm signed in as Foo, and I can view all the active listings. And since I'm logged in now, I have an option to create a listing. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll say toy car, and I'll say a toy car to play with. And the starting price could be, say, 20, and it's obviously a toy and optionally an image. As you can see, we can see the toy car. And since we didn't provide an image, it shows no image. And we can add it to our watch list, and then we can view our watch list, and we can see the toy car. So we can add any items to our watch list, and then we can see them in our watch list. On any item, we can bid. For example, the starting bid price is 70. So let me try to place a bid 50. Obviously, this should not work, and obviously it doesn't work. So now let me try placing a bid that should work, like 100. And as you can see, the current bid price is updated to 100. Now, as you can see, I just created the toy car. So the toy car, I'm the owner of the toy car. So here I have an option to close a listing. On the other hand, if I go to the AI-powered robot, where the owner, the seller, is Nimit, a different account, here I cannot see the close listing option because obviously it is not my listing. So I can only place a bid, add it to my watch list, or add comments. So for example, if I want to add a comment, I can submit, and as you can see, Fu has commented wow at the time. Now, for example, the toy car, let me go ahead and place a bid on it. For example, let me place a bid of 25 on it. So the current bid price is 25. And let me just start up another user. So a user that's not the owner trying to bid on it. So another user, an independent different user that wants to bid on it. Let me quickly start it now. Now I've logged in as Nimit, the owner of these three listings on the right side, and on the left side I'm still logged in as Foo. So right now I can go ahead and, for example, if I go to the toy car, I can increase the bid. For example, if I want to bid 30, and then, for example, if Foo, the owner, decides to close the listing, and I reload here, then it says this auction has been closed. And also, I won it. However, if I go around here, it just tells me the auction has been closed, as I have not won it. Only Nimit has won it. I can do the same thing the other way around, just to show you. If I go to my active listings, for the invisibility cloak, for example, the current bid is 100 by Nimit himself, and I can make Foo increase the bid by 150, and then when Nimit closes the bid or the listing, then as you can see, Foo won the bidding. Nimit can see that, and here when I reload, it just says I won it. Lastly, if, for example, I go to the categories page, I can also browse via category. For example, if I go to fashion, I see the invisibility cloak. Toys, I see the toy car we just created. Electronics, the AI-powered robot. And home doesn't have anything, while other has the witch broomstick. So I can browse by categories. Even if I log out, if I pretend I didn't have an account, I can still browse by categories, view all the active listings, but I can't do comments. I can't bid on it, obviously, and I can just see who won the bid, if the bid is closed, the starting bid price, the seller, and all those details, but I can't bid or comment yet. Thank you.